Ashanti, y'all, and your girl is back with another video, y'all. Today I'm doing something very interesting today. So yeah, make sure you guys watch the full video, of course. And y'all, today is VlogMas 22. VlogMas 22. But y'all, well, first before I say what I'm gonna be doing today, if y'all haven't seen my VlogMas 21. I did yesterday. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description. Y'all go click that link and go watch that video. But yeah. But y'all, today your girl will be baking some Christmas sugar cookies. It's a sugar cookie with blue and white sprinkles on it. So yeah, I'm not gonna show it to y'all right now, which I get down in the kitchen because I'm upstairs right now. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when I get downstairs in the kitchen. But y'all, if y'all ready, y'all probably like, hurry up and stop talking. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So that being said, I need for y'all to give this video a fat thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe as well. And girls on the road to 5K. Ain't nothing new. I said all the time in my videos with you. All the time. I do. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the baking Christmas cookies. Okay, y'all, so the girls gonna go ahead and get started making the Christmas sugar cookies right here. Y'all see? Got the character frozen on here, but whatever. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I got my pan right here. Got the cooking spray right here. Of course, you can spray the pan. But yeah, let me wash this off. Don't want nothing dirty. So let me go ahead and turn the oven on. So the first thing I'm gonna start by doing is spraying the pan right here. Not a lot, just enough so it won't stick to the pan. And then go open it. Oh, that looks good, y'all. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can get this thing open. Hold on. Y'all, these junk look good. Y'all look. They are Christmas. Like, y'all see it? Ah. Okay, so. Yeah, I'm gonna put like 10 in here. I'm gonna spray some more. Just spray some more. But yeah, I'm gonna put 10 of these in here. Break them in pieces. Like, see one right here. Put one in there. Got two. Make sure you put them apart from each other because you don't want them to stick on each other. Of course. Okay. 3, 4. Yeah, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, make sure I got them apart from each other so they won't. Okay, y'all got them in the pan right here. So what I'm gonna do is, hold on so y'all can see me put them in the oven. Okay, yeah, I'm about to put them in the oven right now. Don't burn yourself. Be careful. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is just wait until they get done. But what I'm gonna do is, y'all have ate cookie dough just plain. It's good. It ain't no cookie dough. Y'all ate it plain before? Comment down below. It ain't bad. Nothing but a cookie dough. Yeah. Y'all think I should do cooking videos more often? Comment down below. Cause you know iron. Done. Like, done. Fully cooked and everything. So, yeah, that's what y'all can see me in another clip when they're done. I'm going to show y'all when they're done. So, peace. Alright, y'all. So, the cookies about done. So, like, yeah, I'm going to check them out and see. Look, y'all see them? Y'all see them? Let me see. Yep, they about done. So what I'm gonna do is put them on this Christmas plate. Make sure the freaking plate not wet, so my cookies won't get wet, you know. This is a big old plate to be putting these little bitty cookies in. I mean, I should use it for like just be creative type stuff. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. Oh, I don't have it's Christmas. Y'all, we got 3 more days to Christmas, y'all. They crazy. I swear it seemed like Christmas came fast. Like for real, for real. Christmas got here so fast, y'all. Cooking with your girl Ashanti, you know? Cooking with me. Cooking with your girl Ashanti. Cooking with who? Ashanti. Yeah, get it right. Hold on. You in my business? You in my business? Yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that. It's like, nah. But y'all, hold on. Alright, y'all. This is a big old plate, man. I got the cookies in the plate. Y'all see them? It's falling off, but y'all see them. Let's get ready and try one. Let's see. I'm gonna turn the oven on, y'all. Don't ever do that. Let's see which one I want to try. We're gonna try this one. Y'all look. Y'all see the cookie? The sugar cookie. Yeah. Ooh la la. I'm dead. Okay. They're hot, but they're good though. Only if I had some milk. Well, I got some milk, but I really don't care for white milk. I like chocolate milk. Y'all like white milk or chocolate milk? Comment down below. That's good. That's good. I did good. I did good. So, yeah. That's really it for today. Like I said, today is VlogMas 22. VlogMas 22! And yeah, so if you guys really enjoy watching this video of your girl baking some Christmas cookies or whatever, I need you guys to give it a fat thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe as well. And I'm on 5K. Ain't nothing new. I said all the freaking time. And also, all my social media is going to be down below in the description. Down below. Down below. Yeah. I stay singing that song when I say down. I need to start singing the song. I don't know why I do that, but that's something I just do. And yeah, like I said, all my social media is down below. My Instagram, my Snapchat, my TikTok. I got Facebook. It's the same thing as my TikTok. I really don't be on Facebook, but if you want to still follow me on Facebook, you can. It's the same thing as my TikTok. So yeah. But y'all, so I'm finna in this video right here and right now. So I love y'all, SP gang. Bye, you guys.